Everyone, this is Aizan from the OpenCBS team, and in this video I'd like to show you how you can register customers and manage customer profiles inside OpenCBS software. Customer management is present in the system under profiles. A profile corresponds to specific customer type, which can be a person, a company, or a group. OpenCBS Cloud comes with a few standard fields like first name, last name, and date of birth, and the other fields are entirely customizable using the custom field setup. The list of customers is shown in the profile section in chronological order, and you can search for customers in the given search field by any values which exist in the custom fields. To create a new customer, we need to click on the Create button at the top right corner and specify the customer type, which needs to be created. So let's create first an individual customer. Once you have specified the customer type, the customer registration form will appear with the list of fields. These fields depend on custom fields, which can be predefined by users, and users can decide the fields which needs to be mandatory, like gender, and the fields which needs to be optional, like ID number and the entire fields. So let's start filling the form. Let's specify the first name. Let's say the first name is Kate, and surname is Johnson. Date of birth. Okay, so date of birth, gender female. Once you have specified all the required fields, the system allows you to save the customer. So let's put some more information about this customer. Let's specify customer's ID number, ID issue date, and so on. So now let's save the customer. Once you have saved the customer, this customer appears in the list as the first item. Then we can click on it to view the profile and to add more information. When you click on the customer profile, this page opens, and OpenCBS adopts a customer-centric user interface which allows you to quickly access all information related to this customer, including all active and inactive accounts. So in this section we have a tab called Information. Here we can view and edit general information about the profile. For instance, we can change the ID number or the ID issue date, the address, phone number, and so on. In the attachments, we can upload any files associated with the customer, such as image, PDF, Word, even audio files. So to upload a document, you need to click on the Add button, then choose a file from your computer. Let's say I want to upload customer's passport. So I click Upload, then I can add some comments here and click Upload. So if you want to see the picture of this file, you can pin the document. When you pin the document, the picture goes over here, and if you want to see the details, you can zoom it. So now we can see the passport details. So the next step is called current account, and the current account is a personal account attached to the customer. All financial transactions associated with the customer will go through the current account. In the tab called Loan Applications, you can view the customer's loan application list and create a new loan application. In the loans, you can see all active and inactive loans, but now this customer is new and you can check it later. In the tab called Savings, you can see the savings account and create and open a savings account. And the same is in term deposits. You can view their term deposit accounts and create a new term deposit account for this customer. So now we have created an individual profile. Now let's create a group profile. So again, we can go to the button called Create, then specify the customer type, which is group, and we'll see the group registration form. So by default, there is just one field, which is name and the other fields are user defined. So let's specify, let's say that it's group number 3. Let's specify the group established date, group meeting location, minimum group size, and maximum group size. So now we have specified everything. We can save the group and the group appears here. So now we can click on it to add group members. So to add group members, you need to click on the tab called members and then the bottom add members and select a person from the list. So group members are also registered as individual profiles. Then you can just search them and add to this group. So let's add one more group member and it's done. Okay, so now we have created a group and we have linked group members to this group. So we can go back and we see these customers in the list. So in this video we have created an individual profile and a group profile. So I'd like to thank you for your attention and see you next time.